good night, good evening, afternoon, whenever you're watching. Mix It Up Monday. It's going to be a series I might want to start, and I say might, y'all, because I get a lot of questions about blending. Y'all know I am madam of the blends, and I keep telling people, you buy all these candles, go ahead and blend them things and customize your home fragrance. Like, you can make so many bomb scent combinations, and also stop trying to make one candle do the work in these really, really, really big rooms. You know, sometimes blending to more than one is necessary. And if more than one is what you need, then let me help you find some good combinations, okay? So eucalyptus snowfall, you all, that frozen eucalyptus, snowy spearmint, and lavender. Remember, I debuted this on my Diva clause because it's a scent that Bath and Body Works been carrying every holiday forever, and I ain't never picked it up, and I could not tell you why. But what I will say is the fresh eucalyptus, that spearmint, that sweetness, that lavender. Remember I said last year that this candle could be aromatherapy all year round. So therefore, I got me a good bit to burn all year. But I will say now, that spearmint that's there, you got to think sweet. Like, not like eucalyptus spearmint per se, but a little more sweeter, right? And then you got that eucalyptus that's just fresh, that opens everything up, that got that hint of mint behind it. And you times that with lavender and you have a bomb candle, y'all. Again, I didn't know how good it was. I think I have a total of 7 of these, and I think I even picked up 2 more this season right here. So when I grade this candle back here in my bedroom, 10 out of 10. Open concept, it stands at about an 8 by itself. But I always get curious. Once I get halfway through a candle, okay, now time to blend. So yes, I am a person that, although a candle might serve me a 10 out of 10, once I get halfway through, I'm going to get kind of bored. So then I'll break out something I can pair with it. Now, just to let y'all know, the snowfall in this does give the freshness. And to me, I think a little bit of coconut in there too, but you can't really detect it. But I think the freshness is there. So that brings you to, well, what would you pair it with, Diva? You are looking at it in a flesh. Eucalyptus snowfall can come across as your unisex. And to me, it gets on the sweeter side where it could be kind of like for her. But that's okay because you're going to run it with this flannel, which flannel definitely gives a him vibe. The bergamot, which is a citrus. You know, you got that mahogany and you got that soft musk. Flannel, to me, I wish this was a scent that stayed in the store year round. I don't know. It's just something about that musk times mahogany on men that's not too heavy because you threw the right amount of bergamot in there, which is a citrus. So as you can see, the citrus in flannel feeds very, very well off the lavender and eucalyptus snowfall. That heirloom mahogany ties into that spearmint from eucalyptus snowfall. And then you take that musk, round it all out with the lavender, the spearmint, the eucalyptus, bergamot. You got a bomb 2-way combination. Now, one thing about my L-shaped duplex, one in the living room, a trail backwards, and then where my hutch is in my bedroom, it's like an L shape. If I burn one there, it's going to come down the hallway. Hence, 2 of these will send up my whole apartment. So when I get them 10 out of 10s, I know 2 of them can handle the whole space. Now, I'm telling y'all, this is a beautiful scent that this would have even been a good one when company's over for Thanksgiving, everybody's eating. You know, you kind of want those softer scents they're soft in a sense, but they're still going to project. And it's easy on the nose, you know, versus breaking out something too bakery or something too balsam-like. This would be the perfect entertaining for the holiday 2-way combination. I'm sold. Yeah, I'm sold. So as you can see, I'm not finished burning both of these, but we know classic flannel is always going to be around. And I always joke and say flannel times sweater weather. But I'm here to tell y'all, that's another bomb combination as well. But it lends more so for him side of things, if you ever tried that one. But now, I want y'all to tell me how y'all like some of these blend combinations. If you want to see some more videos on some blend combinations, let me know, because we can even test some of these out with a lot of single wicks if you're not sure before you invest in the big boys or before you burn the big boys. But just rock with me all the way together, because I'm telling y'all, home fragrance is my thing. Bye, y'all.